Hey everyone, it's Dr. Ramani, and guess what? I am having a workshop this Saturday, November 12th, about self-compassion as a tool for healing from narcissistic relationships. This Saturday, November 12th. In case you are already interested, the link to sign up is in the video description. But to make self-compassion even more enticing, and it's already a wonderful thing to explore as part of healing, also, we are running a special deal this month. All new members who sign up from now until the end of November will get 20% off this first month if you use the code on the screen at checkout. So 20% off the first month if you sign up before the end of November. This month's workshop is on, like I said, self-compassion. Taking the concept of self-compassion, Dr. Kristen Neff's very powerful model for how to it's not about self-love, but really about self-kindness and recognizing that everyone's going through something and taking a moment, and instead of feeling that the way we feel is never going to end, if we can be mindful and just be in that moment and allow ourselves to feel our feelings instead of judging them, running away from them, some really profound things can happen. But self-compassion is uniquely difficult for survivors of narcissistic abuse. So this month we'll also talk about what makes something as powerful as self-compassion so challenging for survivors. A lot of survivors can feel like, this isn't for me. Self-compassion isn't going to work for me. But if you can understand, it's almost like a workout where you're thinking, why am I having so much more trouble than everybody else? And you come to find out that your machine is sort of set to a much tighter or much steeper kind of a workout. Then you're like, oh, okay. So it's just, okay, I get it. This one's going to feel harder for me, but it's still quite possible. It's my hope that the tools and techniques you learn can be really powerful and a powerful tool you can use towards your healing, not just this month, but going forward. This workshop is a 1-hour workshop. It always goes a little longer, so budget yourself 75 minutes or an hour and a half. In order to watch it or attend it, you have to be a member of my healing community, which means you need to sign up for a monthly subscription plan. You can cancel it at any time if you don't want to continue with the membership. You want to just watch it for the month, that's fine. Just remember to cancel it. Now, as part of your membership, you will also get not just the workshop, but in each month, including this month, you'll get 3 journal prompts a week, the ability to attend a Q&A session, which will happen later in the month, the ability to join in a guided meditation that will also happen later in the month, and these things are also recorded so you can watch them later. You'll also have access to a private and secure online community, access to a 2-hour pre-recorded refresher course about the basics of narcissism, and much more. So come over, check it out. To incentivize it, you get 20% off if you sign up before the end of November. And sign up before Saturday, and you can come to the workshop live if you want. All online events are, though, recorded and available to watch on replay for the duration of your membership. And like I said, there is no pressure to stay subscribed. You can sign up for a month and then cancel if you decide you don't want to continue with the membership next month. There's absolutely no obligation to continue. I'm really, really excited to do this workshop. Most of the time in this program we talk about heavy stuff, and it's really going to be nice this month to talk about something that is so much more growth-oriented, but to do so from a place of recognizing that this isn't hard. One of the real risks for survivors is it can be real hard to say, I'm not able to do this, maybe I'm just not going to heal. No, it's just recognizing that this is a really steep uphill climb, but that doesn't mean that you won't be able to make it. So you just need a group of people around you supporting you. And my hope is that this is what this healing program, healing community are. But at a minimum, come check out the workshop, and this month, 20% off. Again, the information is in the video notes. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks again.